designer gift guide with affordable prices. Affordable-ish. I have notes saved to my phone. I was like thinking, when should I post a video like this? But once I changed my phone case and pop socket, I knew it was time. I haven't named him yet, but I love him. I don't have this sorted by brand, I have this sorted by item, because depending on who you're purchasing for, there are different categories. So I hope you enjoy. I work really hard. Candles are such a great gift. This is my knee cap, by the way. You can make your home look nice and, you know, be picturesque and all that, but to make it smell nice is like a double whammy. I could not find a candle for under $50. Is that ridiculous? I'm not really sure. So I'm sorry, but this is the best I could do. If you don't want to get like diptyque, I actually think that Bath & Body are some of the best smelling candles ever. But if you want to get the high ticket, Louis Vuitton has a candle for $190 and another candle for $5.95. So like that's the cheapest. Those are the cheapest candles I could find at Louis Vuitton. I'm so sorry. Hermes has one for $195. And I can't speak to the quality of any of these because I'm not about to shell out hundos for a candle. I would spend hundreds for candles. Dior has one for $250 and then another one for $550. Like, what do they smell like? And like, do they last 3 years each? Candles are really classy gifts, and if it's somebody who you just want to drop a couple hundred on, actually candles are a safe choice for present. Tiffany does have a candle for $95. Tiffany's super classy. Everybody loves the blue box, and I think that that's a pretty good route in comparison to the rest if candles are what you're looking for. Okay, so then I was thinking like maybe like getting someone a towel, because in my dog luxury video, I unboxed a couple towels from Hermes and they were $50 each, but they had beautiful presentation and it was very fun to open. And then they were just like little tiny washcloths, but they weren't small. They're small towels, but they weren't small for being washcloths. And they were $50 a piece, which might be ridiculous, but if you're buying for someone else, I feel like it's easier to justify a price tag like that if you're buying for someone else. I was buying for my dog, so it was really easy to do. But on this category, I couldn't find anything cheap. Louis Vuitton's towels, $640. Hermes has $239 and $160. You'd be better off just getting the $50. And then Dior had $550. Sorry. Notebooks. I love notebooks. I've been doing bullet journaling for 2 years now, but I am definitely going to start going the planner route next year instead of just dotted paper, because I don't have the patience or the creativeness to fill it out. But I do like notebooks, like for writing. And Louis Vuitton has a $60 notebook, so that is lovely. It's a kiss of luxury. It's just better than grabbing some 90-cent composition notebook or however much they are. I think they were 90 cents when I used to buy those. Hermes also $60. Dior $65, so that's kind of their price range, I guess. Tiffany's has $209 for a set of 3, so do the math. They're pretty. And if you want to get someone a bunch of notebooks, it's a really beautiful presentation. Books are a great idea. I feel like they're like more personal. They could use it as coffee table books. You could get them a book to show that you are aware that they're interested in something. Louis Vuitton has their travel guide books. I opened one for my birthday. It was a Paris book. They had the English version and it was only $37. The presentation was beautiful and it'd be a really good gift, in my opinion. Or they also have books for $60. Dior has also the same, so they have a $60 book as well. That's still not that bad if you want to shop at these stores and you want that, you know, luxury for your loved one. Tiffany's has a $30 book, so there you go. Similar to towels, blankets, I could not even get close to the $50 mark, not even a little bit. I don't even know if I want to say any of them. Louis Vuitton, $1,500. Hermes, $980. Dior, $1,950. Tiffany's, $500 for the baby blanket, $900 for the large blanket, $1,200 for the travel blanket. No blankets. They don't need blankets. It's fine. They're already warm. Like, you think that they don't have blankets by now? It's winter time already. You know what I mean? They're already warm. If you're purchasing for someone with a baby, these are the less expensive of the items. The Louis Vuitton mini pochette is $365, which would be kind of cute, you know, like, here, baby. I've never had one before, a baby or a mini pochette, so I don't know. Hermes has placemats for $130 and they have booties for $175. Hermes just has like a lot of baby stuff and a lot of it is for under $250. Tiffany has a piggy bank for $150. Maybe one day they save up coins for the rest of their lives, they can equal as much as the piggy bank costs you. If you are purchasing for someone who goes to school or something like that, Louis Vuitton has a Francesca. Louis Vuitton has a pencil pouch for $470. Who cares? That's like way above our budget. Hermes has cards from $120. So like playing cards. You could play poker, you could play card games, you could play speed, you could play spoons, you know, just fun family stuff to do together. I really like playing cards. I think that's super fun. Dior has pencils for $100. Maybe someone's starting a new school year and you want to give them something, you know, super special. $100 for pencils. Tiffany's has like pens. The least expensive one I saw was $85. And then they also, under $50, they have a bookmark. Okay, so honestly, out of everything, makeup is going to be your closest to that $50 mark. Hermes has lipstick right now, which might not be super useful because of masks. I have yet to purchase it because I'm just really bummed out about these masks right now, but it looks beautiful and it's $67. Tom Ford lipstick, obviously too, is amazing. Dior has nail polish for $29 and the Chanel mirror. So I opened a Chanel mirror on my birthday and the packaging was just spectacular. Like it was in a big square box and it says Chanel right on it. And then there's like tissue paper. It actually came with samples as well. And then the mirror, which I think is so beautiful. You can't go wrong with a Chanel mirror. Like I also said, like it's foolproof because there's no size, there's no shade, it's just a mirror and then they'll have it forever. I wouldn't risk buying someone a purse because it might not be their style or something, but a mirror, and you know they're glam, of course they're going to like Chanel. Also, this didn't come in like that cool packaging like the mirror did, but Chanel lotion. You see this all over Instagram. Girls taking photos of this beside their coffee. They're holding on to it like, oh, like outfit of the day, but I have my lotion too, you know. Honestly, the stuff works very well to moisturize and it's not greasy, but this packaging, I should actually start taking more photos of this because it's very Instagrammable. You can look through the websites and Hermes and Tiffany's and Cartier and Tom Ford. You have the ability to sort your search items from least expensive to most, so that's useful. Louis Vuitton you cannot, and Dior you cannot, which I don't understand why. Like I want to know what your least expensive items are for, you know, so I can buy them. That is my super luxury gift guide. So awkward, like if you buy someone clothes because if it's too big for them, they're like, oh, you think that I'm this big? Or you get them something that's too small and they're like too embarrassed to wear it in front of you. And there's just too much room for error when it comes to clothes. So I steer clear from that and I prefer items like these. I can do more kinds of gift guides. I'm just getting my feet wet. We have a lot of time. It's just November. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video.